Hi, this is Sheldon here with today's currency advisory report. Well, the US dollar index is at 79.89, which is up by 0.11 percentage points. Now, we will have the RBI mid-quarterly policy review tomorrow, and expectations are high that RBI will go for a 25 basis points rate cut. So, if it doesn't do this, then we don't expect markets to react much. However, if it does go for a rate cut, then we will see that probably once the rate cut is done, then the markets will not move. But if it does not go for a rate cut, the dollar will rally considerably against the Indian rupee. So the positions are built up basis tomorrow's decision from RBI. Now for intraday, we advise our traders to go short on the dollar rupee pair at around 54 levels in the spot market. Looking at the euro, well, the euro dollar is trading above 1.34 levels after the European Central Bank announced on Friday that 278 Eurozone banks would repay around 137.2 billion euros which they had borrowed in December 2011 under a 3-year long-term repo operation, which is known as LTRO. Meanwhile, ECB head Mario Draghi at the World Economic Forum in Davos stated that the sovereign bond purchase program, which is known as OMT, would remain active for as long as necessary. He also added that the Eurozone will benefit from ECB's accommodative policy. He signaled that the challenge for this year would be to overcome the fragmentation which still differentiates financial and capital markets and causes inequality in financing. With no major data due today, the euro-dollar pair is likely to trade in the range between 1.3410 to 1.3480. In rupee terms, we expect the euro to strengthen against the rupee. Traders can go long in the pair at around 72.20 levels in the spot. Now, last week we had a disappointing GDP figure for United Kingdom, which came in lower at minus 0.3 percentage points. Now, this seems to be the third recession for the United Kingdom in the past 4 years. Now, the pound reacted strongly and is currently trading at its lows of 1.5750 against the US dollar. In rupee terms also, the trend seems downwards for the pound rupee pair, and we expect the pound to weaken to around 84.50 levels in the spot. Looking at the yen, well, the yen has strengthened against the US dollar after hitting a low of 91.27. It is presently trading at around 91 levels. Now we expect it to weaken further, especially after comments from the Deputy Economy Minister, who stated that it would not be a concern if the dollar-yen pair traded up to 100. So that's the level what they are looking at. Earlier they were looking at around 95, now they are saying even 100 won't be an issue for them. Now we expect the yen to weaken further and see it touch to around 95 levels in the intermediate term. In rupee terms also, the yen looks weak against the rupee. Traders can short sell the pair at around 60 levels in the spot market. Let's wrap up with the technicals. Well, the dollar rupee has a very strong support at around 53.69 and a resistance around 54.22 in the spot. The euro rupee has a very strong support at around 72.26 and a resistance at around 73. For the pound, there's a very strong support at around 84.70 and a resistance at around 85.62 against the rupee. And for the yen, there's a very strong support at around 59.08 and a resistance around 59.79. Well, that's it from the Currency Advisory Desk. Thank you.